Good evening, everybody. This is the second chapter of the plea for protecting the world against COVID virus. The context of first chapter has drawn why one individual survived with the help of using masks, sanitizers, vaccines, etc. to fight COVID-19. In this chapter, my message is that why we are leaving our young or future generations in the jaws of COVID-19 pandemic. I am not intended to criticize anyone's view. Being a professional in various fields, certain stalwarts have been in the investigation of creating vaccine in order to protect the world population from the crisis of COVID-19 pandemic. But there was no emergence or advent of the upcoming view in their thoughts. In spite of all the above mentioned scenarios, I would like to ignite the request of maintaining 21 days lockdown for whole world, which can show us a sunny day again. No one of us will step out of home for 21 days. I feel regarding COVID-19 as a dangerous problem, people would get the unbiased support of government. Thus, if the intention of maintain 21 days lockdown can stop the future generation from being carrier of the disease, each event or incidents bear its own merits and demerits. According to me, if any crisis interrupt the life of citizens, it may continue for only 21 days, and after which the world ultimately get a pandemic-free era. To sum up my words, I would say to receivers that we have not faced any virus which mutate continuously and is perilous and infectious for mankind ever before. So I want to conclude by saying that please act accordingly to my plea, which will ultimately show bright future to everybody in this beautiful world. Thanks to all.